How does it feel to make $20,000 in a month and be only 24?
It doesn't make sense, man. Like that's what everyone asks me. It really doesn't make sense. It doesn't feel real. I still feel broke. I still spend like I'm broke.
Good.
That's
Well,
good. That's
that's not
smart.
bad
That's really
actually. Yeah.
smart, actually. Yeah.
Because especially, I mean, being in business and
Hmm.
you talking about wanting to grow, it's one of the things I'm learning
Hmm.
where, okay, you'll make a lot of money. Could you spend it all? You could.
Hmm.
But, if we look at Albert, who 4 years, he's a board member. What he's doing is he's putting all of his money right back into the business.
Yep.
So there's no accident and there's no confusion about why he's outgrowing a lot of people that have been here for the same time.
Mhm.
It's simply because he's just putting more money back into the business. So you talk about wanting to grow.
Exactly.
That's what Clifton and I are talking about is,
Mhm.
okay, 20 racks, cool. You made that. But, now you got to really like evaluate everything. Obviously pay your bills and everything,
Yeah, for
but
sure.
have
Yeah.
some fun. I mean, we all have a little bit, we
Mhm.
have to have a balance. But if you throw a lot of money right back into the business, just like, you purchase the leads for clients and instance and all that on the CRM, same thing on the recruiting side, you will explode. Before you know, you'll be sales manager. You might just even skip that and just hit senior sales in 1 month. So that's really the bigger picture because we can't do integrity alone. We have to have a team.
Absolutely.
We
Yeah.
have to have a team.